us commuters out there in YouTube land. Yeah, if y'all notice something different, let me get it out of the way now. Turn my Fuji 3.0 newest into a hybrid. That's right. So I'm pretty much going on a quick run to get some electric tape. So pretty much, saw that, right? All I have to do is fall back, they know to go. So yeah, you guys see what I did, right? See what I did, right? Was pretty much took off the drop handlebars, right? And I replaced them with the steel handlebars for now. And then I didn't remove no levers, if you notice. So I just attached the side handlebars. I brought it into the middle, and there you go. Got my road bike hybrid. Recycled the tape. So I'm going to get electric tape. So with the straight bar, got this whole traffic in. I got the brakes right here as well. So yeah, I got a little commuting machine right now. All I did was just switch the handlebars. That's about it. Rush hour traffic. Well, not really rush hour, but 12 o'clock lunchtime. Good time in. This car is slow. Oh, the joys of driving. Getting a little bit of arrow. I don't want to go too fast either. So that was pretty good. That's my tester right there on bikes. some of these blocks I'm going to explore soon. So yeah, the reason I'm gonna get some electric tape, get into some electric tape art. Yeah, because I recycled the original handlebar straps. So I'm all focused on traffic. So yeah, so this is my aggressive style, you know, not too forward, but enough to keep your elbows narrow, you know, lean those elbows, change gears, and it helps with these force flats too. I give respect to my BMX riders, but this weather, this playing field, you could do it. You could ride around here with a BMX. Just gonna have to really have some strong legs and good endurance. Pretty sure there's like a it's like a sporting goods or an AutoZone type store around here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, got this set up too comfortable. So if I'm gonna do some rough climbs like these, help me pull up even if I gotta stand. I was gonna use the Specialized cross trails, but really wanted to test this out handlebar system I got going on, and better control too. I'm on my wrong side. So that's the hill and that's desert that way. See what we got going on over here. Also need electric, you know, to pretty much okay, there's an AutoZone or Ace Hardware, even better. Alright. think there's no, and I'm not getting up. So I like the handling, so I got more control. Get to train more with the 52 crank. So yeah, I like my threes. You know, I know some people got the compact disc thing going on, but for my commute, definitely my 3x8 and better. Yes, I'm actually looking for parking. Definitely not over here. Trusty pole. So I'll talk to you guys later. And hopefully I can slick this thing up.